Alright, here we go. It's almost midnight. It is super high tide. So, not really thinking we're going to find anything good tonight. But luckily for the next 2 nights, there is a low tide during night. So I can do some night shelling at low tide. Just not tonight. Oh, that's our wrapper. And then... No, I meant like there was a candy wrapper. I thought it was a shark's tooth and it was a candy wrapper. Alright, Robert, set your alarm to go off at midnight so we know when it's midnight. So we are... I'll just mention it right off the bat. If you hear us coughing, it is red tide. And that can make us cough. Unfortunately, the red tide is working its way down the beach. Yesterday, is that a dead... What kind of fish is that? Some kind of dead fish. Anyway, yeah, right there. It's working. Anyway, the red tide's working its way. It did look like a flounder. Yesterday, it wasn't this bad. It's just working its way down towards Captiva. There's a cockle. There's a clam. So I'm not wearing my water shoes, so I'm not gonna... They're still wet from earlier. I'm sorry, what'd you say, honey?
It's like tickles your nose.
It does tickle your nose. I'm already getting the urge to cough.
Let me have that.
Yeah, because I'm trying to figure out what's in the shadow. How do I... No, it's my phone. How is my phone? I don't know. Okay, here. I'll just be more conscious if you hold the bag. Just a piece. And there I go. Okay, sorry, I was holding the phone down. My external mic broke, so not going to be able to hear me very well. How come my phone has a shadow? A couple people. Is that fire or lights? A couple people on the beach. I was thinking there would be more. That is super high. And it's not even its highest point yet, is it? Or is it? Yeah. So where we normally got on the beach, we had to go further down. It was up to like the entrance. You couldn't even get to the beach without going through the water, which is crazy. Oh, there's an olive. Here you go, honey. What do you see? I just don't really want to risk getting my feet wet right now. I'll take a quick peek. I'll be ready to run. my water shoes tomorrow night. So this line we were looking at earlier, it was completely dry, and now it's like completely wet. It's just definitely insane. And lots of dead fish intermingled in all this flotsam and jetsam. A piece of an angel wing. It's too broken for me. Oh wait, here, I'll take, this is a nice dark cockle. I'll take that one. No, it is interesting. I mean, we've never been here with this much seaweed. So it is interesting to look through it. Oh, watch it, honey bunny. Here, can I put this? Can you put this? Can I put this in the bucket? Is that another? No, it's just a mussel. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Good spot, honey. You're carrying the bucket. You know what? I like that cockle too. I like this one too. Oh, I thought I saw something too. Here we go. And here's a nice little whelk. Sometimes you just have to definitely just stop and got some good stuff intermingled in. It is very strong. Hopefully that means tomorrow's morning's low tide will look good. Oh, there's a dead fish. Ugh, gross. Dead fish. Oh, I see something. Hold on. Ooh. Nice.
Oh, that's a good one too.
It is a good one. I think I see something else. Alright, we're here night shelling Sanibel Island.